GXS is a digital bank that's a joint consortium backed by Grab and Singtel. Well, I'm the Chief Data Officer at GXS, where I look after data science and analytics, data governance, data privacy, and data partnerships. As organizations leverage on GenAI, I think they should see how GenAI could be a strategic differentiation for them as they interact with the customers, as they improve their products as well as their services. Then we're looking at leveraging data assets, especially the ecosystem data of Grab and Singtel, to better our customer experience as well as offer better products, and also to look at improving risk management with using data. How do you search for data? How do you increase the trust in the data? And how do I know that it's one source of truth that my organization have? So the four capabilities that Alation helps with: metadata management, data ownership, data lineages, as well as tracking the changes as well in the metadata. It's fairly critical to have these four capabilities, especially when you're fine-tuning. You need to understand what data you're fine-tuning on for LLMs. Definitions need to be accurate in order for the LLMs to use some of this data. It is also important to identify the data owners, right? Alation provides that platform and capability for stakeholders, business stakeholders, as well as enterprise, to be able to search for the data that they need, and for them to understand that the data that they need is defined in such ways, such that they have the confidence of using that data for the business needs. Increasingly, there's a lot of skepticism on what AI can do. There's a lot of discussion on AI for good, or is it AI discriminating? And I think to build the trust for the AI is really starting from the starting point, which is the data that goes in. And if organizations or people, customers, are able to trust the data that the organization is using for such models, then I think that's a good starting point to building that trust for AI governance or responsible AI.